Hello, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, wherever you are watching this program. My name is Dr. Aviz Abolade, the son of Aramide. Welcome to my channel. If you are new to this channel, please, I use God to beg you, subscribe to this channel, share this program, drop your comments, and like it. That is what I want. Don't watch this program and leave. Please, I want you to share this video. Let other benefit from this content, please. In today's program, I want to share how to prepare super combination. Super combination app is what I would like to share with you people today. Super combination app is what I would like to share with you people today. How to do it? You can also follow me on my Facebook page, Dr. Aviz Abolade TV. You can follow me on TikTok, follow me on Instagram, Dr. Aviz Abolade. How to do it? Go and look for bitter cola, fresh bitter cola. Go and look for it. And alligator pepper, bitter cola, and alligator pepper. Pound it together. Bitter cola and alligator pepper. Pound it together. Then look for coconut juice. If you are watching this program, please don't forget to share this program. Don't forget to like it. Don't forget to comment. Don't forget to subscribe. If you are interested in our product, we have all kinds of app, such as Dakole, this one effective for quick ejaculation and weak erection. We have different app. We have hypertension app, hemorrhoid, manpower, infection app, and so on and so forth. Wherever you are, you will receive your package. Pound this thing, alligator pepper and bitter cola, pound it together. Then look for one container like this. Pack it inside one container. Add coconut juice to it. Keep it. After 2 days, before tournament, just take one shot. After 2 days, before tournament, just take one shot. Before tournament, make it. It's small, but it's mighty. For more video, please subscribe. If you want to call me, you can call me on this number. It's 080-3933-6675 or it's 080-5313-3142. Thanks for watching. Bye.